Namasmarana is so important because the world is presided by God and God is under the spell of His name. Anybody who calls out to Him at the right time, He will respond. And that's why we have so many stories of all the asuras also calling out to God and God responding, because that is the power of His name, that even if the demons used to call Him, He used to respond. The story between Vishnu and Narada. Once Narada and Vishnu were talking about the importance of chanting God's name. So Narada asked that question to Vishnu. So Vishnu said, okay, you do one thing and you will know the value of His name. He said, see that crow you see there? He said, yes. Go and tell my name in his ears. So Narada went there and told Lord Vishnu's name in his ears, Narayana, he said, and that crow instantly died. So Narada panicked and came back. He said, Lord, I went and told your name to that crow. Instead of responding, he died. So Vishnu said, okay, no, now you go, there is a parrot there. You go and tell my name in its ears. So he goes and tells Lord Vishnu's name in that parrot's ears. That parrot also dies. So Narada is saying, what is this? Your name is so dreadful. People are listening to it and dying. He said, no, now you go. There is one calf which is born just recently in that kingdom. Go and tell my name in its ears. So Narada goes and tells the name of Lord Vishnu in that calf's ears. And that calf also dies. So Narada panics. Gau Hatya is the biggest sin in the scriptures. Killing the cow. I have killed a young calf by telling your name, O Lord. There is no emancipation for me. He said, no. Now you go to that same kingdom. A prince is born there. Go and tell my name in its ears. Narada panics. Prince, and if that prince dies, that king will not let me come back to Vaikundam. I'll be in the jail of that kingdom. I'm not going. He said, don't you trust me? Go and tell my name in its ears. Small child. These are all symbolic stories. And then when it goes and tells the name in the ears of that prince, the prince says, oh Narada, I was a crow. When you came and told Narayana's name in my ears, I died, and just by the power of that name, I became a parrot. The same parrot you came and told my name, God's name in my ears, I was born a calf. And when you told the God's name in my ears when I was a calf, you see the power of its name. I have now become a prince. Then Vishnu told Narada, if just listening to my name can be so powerful that a crow evolves to become a human being in such super fast speed, what is the power of chanting my name? It is said that in the Krita Yuga, Dhyanam or meditation was the most important way to attain self-realization. In Dwapara, it was Yajna. That's why you have read Rama performing so many Yajnas in his lifetime, because he came in Treta Yuga. In Dwapara, it was Archana, offerings. And so we see so many offerings given in Krishna's lifetime. But in Kali Yuga, it is Namasmarana. If we want to attain the highest, the way to attain the highest is by Namasmarana.